in Ohio State now. This is a bus stop in our campus. When the bus comes, it stops in this kind of pull-off. But don't have to share the road with other cars and bicycles. Since there are many bicycles in Beijing, such design can make the pedestrian feel safe when riding on the bicycle road.